Hi, my name is Alicia and I'm a user experience designer here at Aweber. If you're looking for new ways to get more exposure and grow your list, you should be taking advantage of your newsletter hub. You can use it to promote your content and move some of your social followers to your email list. Your newsletter hub is a list of sent messages that you can use to show off your content, promote your newsletter, and grow your list. There are a couple ways you can share your email content with your social media followers. First, when you go to schedule your broadcast message, you can choose to share this message to your newsletter hub. If you choose to do that, you can also automatically post this message to a business Facebook page or your Twitter page. Once you are done, apply your settings to save those changes and send a message now, or schedule it to send later. It will post when your message is sent. When you click to view the details of any sent message, scroll to the bottom, you'll see the links to your newsletter hub. You can link directly out to your homepage, which lists out all of the messages that you've posted to your newsletter hub, or you can have a link direct to a specific message that you sent so you can share and get people reading your content immediately. The sky is the limit with these links. You can share them however you typically share content with your followers and encourage them to start reading your newsletter now and get them subscribing to your list. To remove a message from your newsletter hub, you can navigate to that broadcast message in your Aweber account, view the stats for that message, scroll to the bottom, and toggle off the newsletter hub. If you're not sure which messages to include in your newsletter hub, here are a couple ideas. 1. Post all of your messages to your newsletter hub. This gives a centralized location that you can send all of your subscribers to get previously sent content. Or maybe you have some content you'd like to highlight and share with everyone. Post that to your newsletter hub. You can send more premium content to those that actually subscribe to your list after visiting your page. Lastly, you can post only one message or a few messages, maybe your top 5 favorite messages, to help promote your newsletter and say, hey, this is some sample content that you might get. Or you can simply use it like a blog page to link from your website and just have a collection of all of your content. According to a Nielsen Norman study, 90% of people prefer newsletters over social media. Because of social algorithms, there's no guarantee that people are going to see your posts, but they will get your email. So go ahead and start encouraging your social followers to join your email list by sharing links to your favorite messages, get people excited, and grow your list. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.